All right, everyone, welcome back to another short demo of ThetaTrader and all the features. This will be short and sweet, and what I want to do here is just show you how to manage a position. So let's say you have some spreads that are already live and working and in your account, and you can see here you've got open short positions and open long positions here as well. But how would you know when to close those trades out? And how would you exit those, whether it's for a profit or a loss, whichever comes first, of course. And we always set things up so that you can close out the trades before expiration. We don't ever suggest hanging on to these positions until expiration. But what I want to do is show you how easy it is to set up ThetaTrader to automatically close out those positions for you. You don't have to screen watch, you don't have to babysit. Very user friendly. And what I'll do here is show you just a second here how we can move over to a different page here, and you'll see the settings. You can reach the settings under this section here under my account, and you'll notice your account settings. You can receive our proprietary research, and I'll show you that next time perhaps, but you'll get all the alerts via email and text. You can set that up right here as well. But this is what you do. You activate your risk manager by checking that box, and ThetaTrader will automatically close out those positions for you. And then you can activate your profit directive as well just by clicking that box and then saving it down here. And it's just that simple. You don't have to micromanage your account. You can use the algorithm that's already part of ThetaTrader to manage your short and long option positions as well. And we can make this trading experience for you, I think, a lot more effective and easier to handle. Basically, that's the idea, is to use ThetaTrader to do some of that heavy lifting for you. All right, so just wanted to show you how easy that is, and we'll let you get back to your trading, and we'll do the same. That'll do it. Thanks. Bye-bye.